So hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make games. So instead of just writing the code and making those games, we are going to use something special called as a game making engine, and there's separate engine for that called as Unity. So firstly we are going to learn how to install Unity. Download Unity Hub and click on this download Unity Hub. So I've already downloaded and installed this. So you just pause the video and install it. And after installing, open Unity Hub. So after the Unity Hub is open, go to the installs and add a new engine. So I've already added this engine. Please pause the video and add a new engine. It may take some time. And after adding the engine, go to the projects and click on this arrow beside new and choose your engine which you have been installed. And there are several options like 2D, 3D, Universal Render Pipeline, High Definition RP, and we will get more of them if we scroll down. And let me name it as tutorial. And you can even save the location. So this video is only on how to download and create a project in Unity. And don't forget that this is a crash course. If you want to learn more deeper, then you have to read the documentation of Unity. Or there are even several other YouTubers that you can learn from if you want to learn more deeper. After the new project has been created, you can browse all the features in this. For example, this is a hand tool which you can move this matrix, and this is a move tool. You can move all the sprites, and this is a rotate tool. You can rotate its x, y and z axis. So we'll learn more deeper in the next lesson.